Good morning, everyone. Today, me and Lauren have another fun day planned ahead. We are heading to the Osceola County Fair. This is going to be my very first fair here in Florida. I'm very excited to go experience this. $12 admission to get in, which you could actually even buy online. Pretty cool. The fair runs through these dates that I'm going to insert down below. Very excited to go experience the Osceola County Fair. I heard nothing but good things about this fair. So the fair offers rides, which rides are additional cost. You could get, I think, like a set of 40, a set of 20, single tickets, and a wristband. I decided to not do any of that just now. I want to go to the fair, experience what they have, and see what I want to do as I go. So I'll decide on rides when I get there. But they also have lots of food, animals, shows, booths, and stands. I'm excited to go experience this. I love a good fair. You know, that sounds pretty fair to me if you ask me. But I used to go to fairs quite a bit in New Jersey, and Lauren loves fairs, so this is going to be a great day for us. I'm excited to go experience the Osceola County Fair. By the way, parking is also free too, but I was told to get there at a good time because a lot fills up pretty quick. I'm excited. It's going to be a fun day. Excited to go experience the Osceola County Fair. Let's head over.
Click and lean back. New ride, new track. From coasters screaming through the sky to game day crowds running high. Subscribe to Rich on YouTube. Rich theme parks and travel on your screen. From theme parks to travel, sports and more. There's always an adventure in your feed. You don't need permission, jump right on. Hit that notification bell. Don't be late, yeah. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe today. Hey, hey, hey. Subscribe today. Hey, hey.
And for parking at the fair, when you get here, it's a grass parking lot. Alright, we just got here. Going to be a good time. Just made it into the Osceola County Fair. I'm very excited to experience this place. Now, when you guys come in, if you buy the paper tickets, you can buy them online, obviously, with your card. When you come here, at the booths, it says cash only, so just be prepared for that. And also, too, if you need to leave the fair at any point, they take your tickets, and they stamp your hand to come in and out. Very windy day at the fair today, that's for sure. Very windy. I just absolutely love fair food. Chicken on a stick, ribbon fries. Oh my goodness, we're going to be eating a lot today. I just love that fairs let you bring in like your local booths, local artists and stuff. And you know, you can sell your merch. It's amazing. Oh my goodness, look at this. Cinnamon rolls. Oh my god. Fresh fruit smoothies. My goodness, lemonade stand. I haven't been to a good fair in quite some time. This is gonna be awesome. If you like steak, they have sirloin steak tips. This looks great. Kettle corn, ice cream, corn dogs, cheesesteak sausage. Oh wow.
These are your rides.
Yep, got some rides over here too. Got a nice Ferris wheel. We'll go up to that later on. Wow, this place is set up pretty cool. Huge arcade straight ahead. Alright, here are the prices for the tickets. 120 tickets, $50. 40 tickets, $20. And 2 tickets, $1. So not bad at all. Got a classic carousel here too. And oh my god, fried Oreo, deep fried Oreos. Oh my lord. Got some tacos, turkey legs. Oh wow, the options are endless. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to try the pizza stand at some point today, that's for sure. I love my good pizza. And you have this giant skeleton advertising a huge arcade inside. So I guess he's saying to go check it out. There is a giant Ferris wheel in the background too. Wow, this fair has so much. Alright, so inside that building they have a creative arts exhibit on this side. And then on the other side is the arcade. Wow, this is actually really big in here. And then there is the arcade. Alright, so for the prizes in the claw machines, my opinion, not worth playing for. There's a Stitch. Lots of claw machines. Oh, I think I see Pikachu. There's a Pikachu right here. Very interesting looking Pikachu, to be honest. Is that supposed to be Mickey and Minnie? What the heck? Hey, why win the cheeseburger when you could just go outside and go buy one? Interesting price choices. Oh my god, they also have a wok noodle place too. So many endless options here. Look at that, they have the classic swings here. There's a better video of the Ferris wheel. Lots of games, lots of Pokemon. And it looks like they even have a Himalaya in the background too. Man, I think of Stranger Things when I see this. Oh my god, I'm getting dizzy by just looking at this. Look at this type of attraction over here. My goodness. It's kind of like a little fun house. The floors are just moving. Nope, that's a no for me. Alright, first stop here for Lauren for lunch. Here's the menu. What are you getting?
I'm gonna get the chicken kebab with lo mein.
Oh wow, it actually does look pretty good.
It's a little bit pricey, but
$17, eh? Whatever, we're at a fair. Alright, so what is that again?
So it's a chicken kebab with lo mein.
Yeah?
That looks so good.
What are you trying first? The lo mein?
Lo mein noodles.
Alright, so to start off, I am going to go get some pizza. We try it out, and then we'll start doing some rides and snacks and everything. But I think pizza first up. Oh yeah, I definitely love me some good pizza. Let's give it a try. Alright, here's a pizza. It's from Bianco's, it looks like. Pepperoni sausage and a plain. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh, there goes my plate.
It's very windy.
Not bad for fair pizza. Well, not my favorite, but not bad. So there's actually two Ferris wheels here. One in the front and then one in the back. Interesting. There's a good classic ride. There's a tilt-a-whirl. I just don't know if my body can handle this anymore. Look at this little hidden booth over here. Fresh churros and mini pancakes. Man. And it seems like over here they have like a miniature Orlando Starflyer type of ride. I see they have another pizza booth on the opposite side. More things over here. Ice cream, French fries. Look at this. That reminds me of like the claw ride at Hershey Park. Holy cow. Oh my god. The zipper. This ride is insane. Nope, I would never get on this. Alright, so from when I was watching Adam the Woo's video, from when he went to Osceola County Fair, I saw he rode this. It looks so silly, I have to do it myself just to say I did it. The one and only attraction I think I'm going to do at the fair today is called Haunted Mansion. Definitely not affiliated with Disney. It doesn't even say the before the Haunted Mansion. How could they get the name even though it's like so similar to a Disney attraction? Anyway, I just want to see this for myself and say I did it. Oh wow, the Haunted Mansion. Is that Donkey Kong right there?
Yeah, I'm not sure the licensing.
Right, that's where I'm like, how did they get the license for that?
They didn't put.
What the? Alright, switching to the video camera right now because I'm going on the Ferris wheel. By the way, that Haunted Mansion ride, don't expect like Disney because this is a fair. It was a nice like 30-second type of ride. It just to me wasn't worth the ticket price. Let's just say like 8 tickets to ride a 30-second ride. Nah, it was cool. It just felt weird. All right, next up I'm gonna go on the main Ferris wheel real quick. Nice overview of the fair right here on the ride. I believe we're at the top.
Steals the second spot. We've got Tyrone in fourth. Number 3, Katie Piggy way back there. Oh, Lindsay Lohan goes the wrong direction. All she's got to do is get her entire body across the line to win. We've got Lindsay going the wrong way down here. She's doing donuts. Number 5, Cruises down the front stretch. She's in the second spot. Number 1, Rolling Thunder's got the silk right where she wants it. Tyrone's in fourth. Oh, we've got a problem. Number 3 just blew a rear end. That thing was leaving debris right there on the track. That's not pretty. We've got Donald moving into turn 3. Lindsay Lohan thinks she's won it. She's doing a victory lap in the opposite direction. Little Tony Stu-Hog action. She comes back down over here. Number 5 wins on turn 3. Number 4 still stalled out. Donald's coming in high right now. We've got to all. Lindsay's getting closer. Number 4 is the winner. Lindsay Lohan just trying to psych out the other racers out of the day. Had me going, that's for sure. Donald Rumprose takes home the extremely close second spot. Rolling Thunder and Tyrone the Terrible are going to bring home third and fourth. And Katie Piggy, she did blow a rear end, but don't worry, she'll finish because they're all professional.
All right, just saw the pig racing.
But I don't know how you
How much fun was the pig racing?
Oh my gosh, so much more fun than I was thinking it was gonna
Right,
be.
like compared to the little pigs, the medium-sized pigs,
They were
and then the big pigs were great. Fantastic.
great surprise there.
Yes, I'm glad.
That was great.
If we do one show, I'm glad we at least saw that.
Yeah!
Now let's go to the petting zoo. I want to go check out some animals. All right, we're gonna go look at some bunnies and chickens over here. Oh, Mr. Rabbit. Oh. Hi. You get fed better than I do.
I know I always wanted a bunny.
They're cute though.
So cute.
They're very cute.
This one has a Callie face.
Callie's
Her
size.
face looks like Callie. Look at the fat bunny butt.
Hi. Do you have a face?
No.
Oh. Well, look at you, you
That's a
beautiful
big-
chicken.
That's a big boy.
You are so beautiful. I like chickens.
You do?
Yes.
Well, technically that's a rooster.
Rooster chickens.
Not the same thing, actually.
I know, I've seen Looney Tunes. I watched
This one with
Foghorn Leghorn.
fluffy boots.
Hi. Don't worry, you're not dinner.
At the New York State Fair, they had these tie-dye chickens. They were
Oh, look at these rabbits. Bunnies, oh my goodness. I just love chickens and roosters.
quack, quack,
Look, it's Mario the Duck.
quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, now you're not gonna do it?
Quack, 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 Mr. Ducksworth. Look at this turkey. Wow. Look at you. Look at the baby chickens.
Yeah, when they all hatch, they're all gonna move over there.
Oh.
Make sure you subscribe. Hey, I'm Richest the In-Person Travel. Hit subscribe today. Ooh. Hi.
What's up? Welcome to the fair.
Thank you, appreciate it. Have a good day. All right, to end the day, I think we're gonna go get some deep fried Oreo because that's one of the best fair treats you could get. All right, to end the day, we got some deep fried Oreo. We're gonna give it a try. It's just very windy to kind of do this, so we're gonna work our best with it. Here we go. Heck yeah, that's very good, right? Oh my goodness.
I don't think we can finish that whole thing.
I know. I just wish it wasn't so windy. But wow, deep fried Oreo, always the best way to go. What a great, fun, and fantastic time it was at the Osceola County Fair. My very first fair here in Florida. I had a blast going to experience some of the rides, like the Ferris wheel, the Haunted Mansion attraction that they call it. It was just such a weird 30-second ride, but I wanted to see for myself from watching Adam the Woo's video how he reacted to it. Yeah, I had the same reaction. I'm just like, what was that? But yeah, the food was also good. Lauren's meal was good. The pizza was decent. The fried Oreo was amazing. The pig races were awesome too. The little petting zoo with the rabbits and the chickens. So it was a really fun time over at the Osceola County Fair. We'll definitely go back there again next year. If you guys are new here, please just subscribe. Ring that bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. This video is done. I will see you guys in the next one.